Okay, to install Peak Animated GIF Recorder in Ubuntu, start the terminal. Type sudo add-apt-repository. PPA : peak-developers/stable. Enter your password. Press enter. Now type sudo apt update and sudo apt install peak. Enter Y for yes. Okay, now we can do a version check. Type peak --version. We're installing Peak 1.4.0. So you can close the terminal. Hit the show icons button. Type in Peak. Click the icon. And if you hit the drop down arrow, you can see all the formats you can record in. GIF, WebM, MP4. I keep GIF. And we can click and drag to change the size of our recording window. And you can also start and stop recording with Control-Alt-R. When you do that, you're going to get a 3-second countdown timer. Okay, now we're recording. Get some desktop activity going. Okay, now we can click the stop button, and it's rendering the video. And I'm going to save it in Home Videos. So let's check that out. Okay, there's my video. I'm going to double click it and get a preview window. And that's an animated GIF of part of my desktop. That's it. Thanks for watching.